Okay, March 5th, just got my Technogym shipment. See, this box weighs next to nothing. I can throw it up in the air. It shows weight plate. I have a hard time thinking that there's a weight plate in this box. So, weight plate should be 10 kilograms. This shows the gross weight is 8.34. I'm not sure how there's a 10 kilogram weight plate in a box or in a shipment. There, are you taking a video of this? Should be the handle. That is perfect. Again, this box is next to nothing. This looks like it has the cable on it. Oh, maybe this shows... Yeah, there is no weight plate in here. This shows that there should have been a weight plate in there and someone did not fulfill that part of the order. Cable, I can get the product number there. There's no way I can look at it and see how long it is, but sure does look right. All right, I'm missing a weight plate.